Guys, in today's video, we are going to prep a bunch of individual meals. Myself and two of my older daughters are going to be going to Boston for 5 days? 4 days? Yes, 4 days. 4 days and 3 nights, right? Yes. 4 days and 3 nights. We are bringing Azariah down to Boston. A lot of times I'll group a bunch of appointments together. I think he has 11 appointments in 3 days. So he will have all those appointments done in the 3 days, but we need to feed ourselves. So this video will also be good for single or just, you know, a couple of people in your household, because I'm going to make meals that I'm going to divide into individual containers so that you can put them in your fridge or freezer and just prep once and not have to worry about it. This saves us oodles of money. I can't even imagine the amount that it would cost for us to actually buy all of our meals out while we're in Boston. We'd be looking at a few $100s. So I'm gonna save my budget by cooking. So first up, I'm gonna take this right here and scramble it up in a pan. Gonna let this cook up. Some water on for the noodles. Okay, so I'm doing 2 of the pizzas. I'm gonna put one, I'm gonna make them both right now, but I'm gonna put one in the freezer for next week when we go, and then one for now. Okay, we have sauce, we have cheese, and 2 bits of pepperoni here that I'm just going to cut into tiny pieces with little kid scissors. Doesn't that sound fun? All right, so I'm just gonna split the little bit that I had in both of these onto 2 pizzas. I cut them up smaller just to make them longer, so it didn't look like I had 5 little pepperonis sitting on each pizza. So yeah, I'm just trying to break the little pieces apart, making it spread more, stretching it out. I'm gonna put some over here. So those little bits of pepperoni really stretched far because I cut them into smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to throw some other cheese on top. I like to use 2 cheeses if I have it. If I don't, then I'll just use mozzarella, but I like using both. It just kind of holds the pepperoni in place and gives it another dimension of flavor. So I'm going to do this to both of them and then pop them in the oven, and I think our hamburger is about done. My daughter was in there watching that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this one off. We just put the noodles in there, and then this is the meat here. So we're gonna take part of this. I have part of the jar of sauce left from the pasta, so I'm gonna do part with meat and sauce. But I just took like a little bit of meat here and put it in this pot. I'm gonna add the spaghetti sauce that I have left. So here I have some broccoli, I have some mini peppers, I have a cucumber, I have tomatoes, and then I need to grab an onion as well. I am making like a pasta salad as well, so all this stuff I'm just gonna put in here. So I just strained the pasta here. Dumped over here some of the pasta into this meat and sauce, and this will be one meal that we have that I will put away into a container. Okay, so this has broccoli, onions, cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes. And then I'm gonna add the noodles. Got the pasta in there. I'm gonna add some zesty Italian dressing. Kids are playing in the background. That's our life. Now we're gonna stir this up. Eat the rest of it. So this is this gorgeous salad. It's so simple, but it's so delicious, guys. You should try this one out. I chopped up all this cauliflower, and I am going to actually boil that cauliflower in there, and then I'm going to add this homemade taco seasoning into. So the cauliflower is all done, so that's in the strainer, and then I added some coconut oil, onions, and peppers into the pan here, and I'm just gonna saute that real quick. A little bit almost overdone, but you know, a little done, but I like crispy onions anyway. All right, so those are done, and we're gonna add everything. Okay, I'm gonna add this pepperoni in here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this gluten-free measure for measure flour. Then I'm gonna grab some milk. So I'm gonna add actually a little bit more milk, and then I'm gonna put the cauliflower in here. go. So maybe like a quart of milk I have in there. And then she's gonna throw the cauliflower in here, and I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. There we go. Let's stir all this in there. So now I'm adding some cream cheese in here, and I'm just kind of okay, so I have this in here, and I'm kind of trapped in the kitchen, but I'm going to put cheese on top of this as soon as I'm done. So I top that with cheese, and I'm going to throw it in the oven. So this is the cauliflower bake, and I'm going to put some of this into containers. The cheesy goodness in that. Okay, serve some of that up, and this is what I have to be able to bring. So over here, I have lunch ideas. We'll talk about that later. So pizza and grapes. Then we have 6 containers of these pasta salads. I also packed these little packs of chips. So most likely for a meal, we might have like pasta salad and chips, honestly. Or we might have, I'm bringing this sourdough bread and peanut butter. If we're feeling hungry in the morning and we wanted a little bit more protein, we'll probably do like half a sourdough and a peanut butter and put that in with our lunch. But this would be our lunch. So that would be that. And then a bag of chips. The next day I'm bringing these extra chips, but I want the individual bags so that we can put more chips in the bag instead of bringing this big thing of potato chips. So everyone would have, plus the issue with that too is if we are separated, like if I'm in with Azariah or waiting in a different waiting room, then we would have food separated the way that we needed it separated if we need to be separate places. These are, most of the 11 appointments are for Azariah, and then I have one daughter who also has a doctor's appointment, so they might be separate on a day. With one of my grown daughters, if appointments run over, we might not all be together at every moment. Then we have our suppers here. This is just like a goulash with sourdough bread and butter. My one daughter is not gluten-free, but we're gluten-free here. This is that cauliflower casserole that I put in there with apples and peanut butter in here. And then this is taco. So this would just be, we would have a bag of chips here. And this is taco meat with cheese, and then we have salsa and we have sour cream in here for that. So those would be our 3 evening meals. These would be our 3 lunch meals. And then we would have extra potato chips. We'd have extra bread and peanut butter. And you got to have some sort of chocolate if you're down there. Most of the places we get free coffee. So where we are staying, they actually have a free coffee downstairs. And then at the hospital, I am a part of Panera's Sips Club. So I bought it when our first was there. It was 3 months free. And every time I try to unsubscribe from it, they offer me a deal where I get it for $3.33. So I'm paying $3.33, which is less than a cup of coffee, to be part of the Sips Club. And I will be able to get that coffee, not really free, but $3.33 for the month to get coffee every 2 hours if I wanted to. So that is it. I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration to make some things. This is something you could do if you were going to work. You could prep like this on Saturday or Sunday, put these things in the fridge or freezer, and then you would have meals for the week for your family. And it took maybe like an hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half to get all this done. And I also do have some extra taco meat, which is going in the freezer, and then extra casserole, and that will go in the freezer as well. So lots of extras. Oh, and an extra pizza, but we ate that for lunch, or almost ate that for lunch. We ate part of that for lunch, and then we'll probably have it as part of our supper later on. Yeah. So yeah, we had lots of extras as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like I got to attend to all that laundry in a minute. If you like videos like this, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Hey, this is the kind of video that I enjoy watching, and I'll know what type of content you guys like. Have a blessed and wonderful day. A couple things to go with the foods. So we have brownies here that we're going to pack, and then these muffins here that we'll pack. We tend to, depending on the time of the appointment, we might not eat. We might just bring a muffin with us. So lovely muffins. Aren't they beautiful? These are gluten-free banana muffins. Banana? Yeah. Yep, gluten-free banana muffins. Yum. Can I have one now? Thank you. I didn't think that we were gonna video this adventure, but I think that we are going to video our adventure in Boston, so make sure you check out that video as well. It'll be coming out after this one does.